Art, Start, Go. In this video, we will draw the second of 2 Christmas stockings with colored pencils. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe now for more videos on how to draw and create art. This second Christmas stocking will have a little more detail. The colors for this drawing are a mix of greens and reds. The red colors of this drawing are poppy red and crimson red. The green colors of this drawing are spring green, grass green, and dark green. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.